Construction vehicles vocabulary. Construction vehicles name in English with pictures. Bulldozer. This is a bulldozer. Crawler loader. This is a crawler loader. Dragline excavator. This is a dragline excavator. Excavator. This is an excavator. Backhoe loader. This is a backhoe loader. Skid steer loader. This is a skid steer loader. Motor grader. This is a motor grader. Wheel loader. This is a wheel loader. Trench digger. This is a trench digger. Crane. This is a crane. Tower crane. This is a tower crane. Mobile crane. This is a mobile crane. Rough terrain crane. This is a rough terrain crane. Forklifts. This is a forklift. Telescopic handler. This is a telescopic handler. Truck-mounted crane. This is a truck-mounted crane. Crawler crane. This is a crawler crane. Road roller. This is a road roller. Asphalt paver. This is an asphalt paver. Cold planer. This is a cold planer. Road reclaimer. This is a road reclaimer. Chip spreader. This is a chip spreader. Concrete mixer truck. This is a concrete mixer truck. Concrete pump truck. This is a concrete pump truck. Slip-form paver. This is a slip-form paver. Shotcrete machine. This is a shotcrete machine. Dump truck. This is a dump truck. Articulated dump truck. This is an articulated dump truck. Off-highway dump truck. This is an off-highway dump truck. Tipper truck. This is a tipper truck. Bottom dump truck. This is a bottom dump truck. Pile driver. This is a pile driver. Auger drill rig. This is an auger drill rig. Horizontal directional drilling machine. This is a horizontal directional drilling machine. Wrecking ball crane. This is a wrecking ball crane. Hydraulic breaker. This is a hydraulic breaker. Pulverizer. This is a pulverizer. Water tanker truck. This is a water tanker truck. Cement transport truck. This is a cement transport truck. Road sweeper. This is a road sweeper. Lowboy trailer. This is a lowboy trailer. Pipe layer. This is a pipe layer. Soil compactor. This is a soil compactor. Asphalt distributor truck. This is an asphalt distributor truck. Rail track laying machine. This is a rail track laying machine. Tunnel excavator. This is a tunnel excavator. Hemp. This is a hemp. Scissors lift. This is a scissors lift. Tractor. This is a tractor. Tunnel boring machine. This is a tunnel boring machine. Side dump truck. This is a side dump truck. Concrete batching plant. This is a concrete batching plant.